video, let us discuss about the currency conversion techniques which are available in our CDS view. These are built-in functions which are available. So for that, I have already created one CDS view by doing an association from VBAK to VBAP table. Now let me get one field which is sales order from VBAK table. And for doing the quantity conversion, we need the quantity field that is available in our VBAP table, which is KWMENZ. If you observe here, we are getting that reference information is missing. So we have to get the reference field from the VBAP table for this particular field. So you can just simply go to VBAP table and search for KWMENZ and you will get the reference field here in this particular tab. Now VRKME is the field which is the reference and I'm giving that field over here, and we have to introduce one annotation for connecting to our reference field. Here it is the quantity field, so we have to give the quantity unit of measure and reference field is VRKME. Now we have established the relation between quantity field and the reference field. Now let us do the conversion. So the built-in function is unit underscore conversion. If you just do control space, you will get it here. Just to do shift enter, you will get all the data here, whatever you have to pass. So now the quantity is the one which we have to pass, that is VBAP KWMENG, and the source unit is the reference field whatever we have given, and that is VRKME, and the target unit is the one which we have to convert. So I have to now I just wanted to convert it to PCE. So I gave the PCE, but we are getting one error, and alias name must be assigned for this expression unit underscore conversion. So I'm just giving it as quantity conversion. Still I'm getting one error. Target unit not supported. Function unit conversion type char of parameter target unit not supported. Okay, type character it is not supported. So let me cast that particular thing into some other one. So let me do it. Since it is the unit conversion, let me do it as unit only. And now I have converted this one, but still I am getting error. Reference information missing or data type wrong. So we have casted this one, but we need to give the reference information for this PC also. So how you have to do is the same thing whatever I have written over here, I'm copying it here and giving it as it is, and I will be providing one alias name here. Now I have to relate it both by using the annotation, which is semantics dot quantity dot unit of measure, and this is the reference one which we have to pass reference conversion. Now if you observe, all the errors are resolved. So this is the way how you have to do the quantity conversion for your fields whatever you have, for the quantity whatever you have. And we have one more built-in function which is currency conversion. Let us explore that also. Now for getting that currency conversion, we need some other fields here. We need price one, and the price field is NETWR, and for that we need the reference field name. and that the NETWR, we know that that is WAERK. I do remember that this is the field reference field for that, and we have to give the annotation semantics dot. Okay, the spelling is wrong. And if I just do control space, I will get currency code, and that is WARK. So I have established the relation between these two fields also, currency conversion fields. Now I will use the currency conversion built-in factor. For that, this is the one, currency underscore conversion. Just do shift enter. It will get all the required details which we have to fill. I'm just doing it enter for better readability. And amount you have to pass. So the amount is the one which is VBRP NETWR, and the source currency is the reference one, WAERK, and the target currency. Target currency is the one which you have to convert. So now I'm giving it as INR and exchange rate date. So you have to provide the date because currency will change from day to day. So we have to give the date. If you have watched my previous videos, I have explained about the session variable. Here I am going to use that one, session variable, session dot system date. It will get the system date. Here I am getting one error, alias name. Okay, currency conversion, but still I am getting one error. Type char of function currency conversion, type char of parameter target currency not supported. So the same error we have got before also for quantity conversion, that type char is not supported. So what I will do is I will cast this to some other type. We have discussed about this casting also in our previous videos. If you don't know about this casting operator, you can watch my previous videos. Since it is the currency, I will just mention the currency, and here I will give the number. Okay, now it is resolved, I believe. Okay, reference information. So we have to provide the reference. Same thing I have to give it over here below. And here I will just mention the reference info. I will just build up between these two as currency reference, and I will give the same thing over here, and I'm just doing shift F1, which is pretty printer, and our currency conversion is also happened without any errors. This is the way how you have to do the unit conversion and the currency conversion. If you don't know how to do, you can just to do function F1 on this unit conversion. You will get the required details here below. I'm scrolling it down. Quantity, target unit, client we can give, error handling also we can give, and exchange rate, date, type for currency conversion, round, decimal, error handling. All these things we can give. And for error handling, we can give like instead of rising errors, we can do it in different way. They will give some option also. We have three options here. Error handling we can give if fail on error. It will give an exception set to null. Like the result will be 0 if the conversion is not happening because of some issue. And keep converted if you write it will keep the source value as it is. No conversion will be happening. Error handling also you can mention in your unit conversion and the currency conversion. Let us run this one. Getting an error like currency or unit conversion error, so that we have the quantity as 1 and it is for unit which is each, and from that we have to convert it to the PCE. So since it won't, it will be again less than 0, so we are getting this error. So for this type of scenarios we have to handle the error handling. Let us do the error handling here. Error handling, and we have the 3 options here. So here I'm making it as set to null. Now let us run our CDS view. Now we are not getting the error, but it is keeping the result as 0 because we don't have the quantity. So let us see about the price conversion. Here we have 80 NETWR, which is of currency CAD, Canadian, and it is converting into INR, which is rupees 2729 we are getting as a conversion value. Since we don't have the quantity as more than one each, we are not getting the quantity conversion. So this is all about the conversion built-in factors available in our CDS views. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting content.